What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to hide likes on Facebook. This is an easy tutorial, so let's get started right now. What you want to do, guys, you want to open your Facebook account, of course, and at the very bottom right here you will see here your profile. You want to click it and then scroll down a little bit. Okay, you want to keep scrolling until you see here settings and privacy. You want to click on settings and privacy. After that, you want to click on settings in the top. Now after you click on settings, you want to click your profile name, as you can see here in the top, where it says profile settings. Under that you will see there your name. Now you want to click there, and after that you want to keep scrolling. Okay, keep scrolling until you see here reaction preferences. You want to click on reaction preferences. After that you can just hide number of reactions on posts from others, like your friends, your pages that you follow. You won't be able to see the likes, the number of likes on these posts when you turn this on like this. Now if you want to turn it on even on your posts, you can turn it on your posts, so that other people won't be able to see the number of likes or reactions, or people, like everything. If someone likes your photo or anything, it will not appear to other people, like you won't be able to see it. So that's how it works. So just turn these on, or if you just want to hide it from other, like if you want to hide likes like from others, like on posts from others, you can do that. You can just turn off only the top one, the one that says on posts from others, and now check your Facebook and you won't be able to see other people's likes. Hopefully this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments if this works.